In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the green active dot on Facebook. The green dot indicates when you are online and available to chat with friends. Some people prefer not to show this status for privacy reasons or simply to avoid constant messages. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Once you are on this page, scroll down until you see an option called Active Status. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option called Show when you're active. Your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. To turn off the green active dot on Facebook, simply toggle off this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.